my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, super well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate it. I do. So I was watching Faye Blatcher's video. And so she's doing this series called Instagram Made Me Buy It series. And she picked up a few things from Tarte. And she got quite a few goodies, and I thought, I really love what she's got. So she left the link in her description box, so I clicked on the link and I got myself a few things. So in other words, look what Faye made me buy. So I'm going to show you guys what's in the box today. It was just so funny. And you know, I don't usually do these things, but when I saw that video, I loved it so much. I thought that is such a good thing. Let me just see what I can pick up for myself. And of course, you open up the box. This is what you see. Beautiful packaging. Love that. And so I don't even remember what I got, but this is the packaging right here. Inside of the box is very nice. You can actually keep that for storage if you are somebody who is very limited in storage. And this is everything that I got from Tarte. Thank you, Faye. Thank you. I got a few things just because of you. Look what you made me buy. So open up. Wow. This is interesting. The first thing I see is this lovely kit. And this looks like a skincare kit. You do have a primer, a lip balm. You do have, let me just see what else is in here. You know, it should be on the box. As a matter of fact, guys, I am as blind as a bat. I've got my glasses here. Let me tell you exactly what's in it. So you do have a lip balm, a primer, moisturizer, and a facial mist. Primer, moisturizer, lip balm, and facial mist. Lovely, lovely products here. Hope you guys can see that. I don't want to take too many things out so the video can be too long. Lovely, lovely packaging. Rainforest of the Sea, it's called. Very nice, like that. And next, this is like a sample. You get a free sample of something when you purchase something, and these are lipstick samples. Made our favorite hydrating lipsticks, and these are just 3 samples right there. Next, I see, ooh, this is lovely. This is lip ornaments. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. And to the back, it has all of the colors. You have Cuddle, Milk and Cookies, Snowflakes, and Twinkle. And I was just about to say this can be fantastic for gift giving. And of course, to the back, it says here to and from. So of course, Christmas is not too far around the corner, guys. And this will be super great for gift giving. If you're one of those people who start to do your Christmas shopping early, this would be an amazing gift to give, with a beautiful card on top or to the back, with a lovely card, with a beautiful gift bow to the back or the front with a card. That would be amazing. The colors look so pretty. Wow, look at that. Very cute. You've got 4 colors in here. And let me just take out Snowflakes. I mean, look at how cute that is. It's almost like a teardrop kind of shape. Very, very, very intriguing and very nice. And again, these are lip balms. Ooh. Although this is clear with a bit of iridescent, it comes off a little bit different. Hope you guys can see that on there. Really lovely. Wow, I'm going to be definitely trying this and letting you guys know. I was thinking of doing a giveaway, but hell no. Hell to the no. I'm keeping these for myself. Very, very, very pretty. Let me see if I can do a swatch for the other one here quickly. Oh my god, they are so adorable. Faye, I'm so happy I watched your video and I took the plunge and I bought a couple of things. This is the other one here. This is Snowflake. And let me just see what this one's called. This is called Cuddle. Very nice. Love it. Love it. I would love to receive this for a Christmas gift, a birthday gift, anything like that. It would be super awesome. Absolutely wonderful. Even the skincare kit too would be awesome for a beautiful gift for someone. Beautiful, beautiful. This is quite cute. Next, I do have, this is the Shape Tape Star Quad, and this is a Conceal and Brightening Duo. So here we go. And you get 2 of these, and I think they're $15. And I don't really have to open that up. I don't want to make the video too long, but this is what the packaging looks like. You have the concealer in there, and the color of this is called Deep and Oreo 53N. This is it right here. Very nice. And at one point, I didn't think I liked the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. But I remember the first time when I used it, I put on way too much under my eyes. That's when I was beginning to understand and learn about makeup application. But then when I realized, you know, my skin doesn't really need all of that, I'm thinking, I don't really like this. But then after trying it, I put on very little of the concealer. I'm hooked. And the last thing I do have here is the, am I holding this upside down? This is called the Lid Popper. Oh, this is quite interesting. This is a beautiful packaging right here. Let's open this up and see, oops, sorry, and see what this is. Lid Popper. Oh, hang on for a second, I'm opening this on the wrong end. There we go. There it is, Lid Popper. So this looks like you have a balm on top that you will apply to your lid, and then you would use the glitter to the bottom to put this on top. This is very, very interesting, and the color of this is called Totally Teal. Very, very nice. This is the color of the glitter right there. And of course, it's a duo, and you do have the balm on top. Very nice. Interesting package. I love that. I don't want to put my hands in it because I was putting on makeup earlier. Really, really pretty. Love that. And these are all the goodies I got from Tarte. And this is what Faye Blatcher made me buy. And I really love my purchase. I'm really looking forward to trying this lid topper. And again, this is a Shape Tape Star Squad Conceal and Brightening Duo. There we go. And this is the free lip swatch that I do have in here. And of course, this is the lip ornaments, which is quite cute. Love that. And you do have the skincare kit with your primer, moisturizer, facial mist, and you have your lip balm in there. Really, really pretty. I'm going to leave all of this in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on a couple of things. And I really, really enjoyed my purchase. I'm going to leave the link I'm going to leave the link to Faye Blatcher's video in the description box, so you can go watch that video. It was a really good video that she did on Tarte Shape Tape. And yeah, these are all the things I do have. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. And these are really, really interesting, new to my collection, and I can't wait to try these. And that's it. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing video. Very little things I picked up from Tarte today. Again, they will be listed in the description box for you guys. And please head over to Faye's channel, say hello. Say Odette sent me. Please just go and give her a little love. That would be awesome. And on that note, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall catch you next time. Toodles.